everyone. Today we are going to see about primary treatment of a sewage. A sewage is nothing but the wastewater which is generated on the household waste and other communities, residential buildings, etc. In the wastewater treatment method, the treatment method was classified into three types. First one is a primary, second one is a secondary, third one is a tertiary. Mainly we are going to discuss about the primary treatment of the sewage. A primary treatment method of sewage is the first step of the treatment method. In this method, we are removing the solid matter which are present in the wastewater. In this primary treatment method, there are two types. One is a off-site sanitation method and second one is a on-site sanitation method. So, off-site sanitation method, it is the process of disposing the wastewater which is generated in some other place and we are treating in a other places. That method is said to be a off-site sanitation method, and second one is a on-site sanitation method. The on-site sanitation method, it is the process of disposing of domestic wastewater where it is generated from the place we are treating the wastewater. For the off-site sanitation method, the wastewater is generated in some other place and we are treating in the some other place. Example, textile effluents and paper industries, etc. So, in this on-site sanitation method, it can be classified into three methods. First one is a septic tank, second one is a immersion tank, third one is a grey water harvesting. First, we are going to see about the septic tank. A septic tank, it is the combination of a primary sedimentation tank with a long detention period. A sedimentation tank is nothing but a which having a settling the solid materials by using the gravitational force and which having a long detention period. A detention period is said to be a time taken for settling the solid particles. So, it is the primary sedimentation tank which having a long detention period up to 12 to 36 hours with the extra provision of a settled sludge. A sludge is nothing but a solid particles which is settled at the bottom of the tank. It may be in the form of a solid or it may be in the formation of a semi-solid. It is a horizontal and a continuous flow which removing up to 60 to 70% of the dissolved matter which is present in the wastewater, and the principle followed by the septic tank is a anaerobic decomposition process. The anaerobic decomposition process is decomposing the organic matter in the absence of the oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, it decomposes the organic matter and it creates some foul gases. That foul gases will be removed by using the vent pipe, and the septic tank should be in the shape of the rectangular or circular shape, and it is constructed by using a RCC work or by the brick masonry, mostly preferable for brick construction only. In the septic tank, it consists of inlet and outlet, T-pipes, baffle wall, vent pipe, RCC cover and manhole. So, inlet and outlet pipe for provided for inletting the wastewater and outletting the wastewater, and the T-pipe is provided at the inlet and the outlet, and the baffle wall is provided for removing of the scum, and the vent pipe is provided for the removing of foul gases which is created on the decomposition process. The manifold is provided for cleaning process, and the cleaning process should be in 6 to 12 months. Next will be the design consideration. While designing the septic tank, we have to consider these 6 things for the construction of the septic tank. First one is the capacity of the tank. The capacity of the tank is depends upon the number of the populations and it should be measured in the liters. Okay, so up to 8 to 10% it consists of 2250 liters of the tank. So, it depends upon the number of the population. Second one will be the flow of sewage. A flow of sewage is about the water flowing in the septic tank. So, the rate of accumulation or else the water which is occupied in the tank, it should be in the range of 30 liters per capacity of a year, and the freeboard. The freeboard should be a 0.3 to 0.6 meter. The shape of the tank should be in the ratio length is to breadth ratio. It should be in the ratio of 2:4 and depth should be in the range of 1.2 meter to 1.8 meter, and next will be the inlet and the outlet baffle. So, inlet should be the 30 centimeter below the top of the sewage, and outlet baffle should be the 40% of the depth which is provided in your septic tank. And next will be the desludging period. Desludging period is nothing but the cleaning period of your septic tank. The cleaning period should be in up to 1 year to 3 year or up to 6 to 12 months. Next we will see the problem of the septic tank.